Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, there are a lot of methods available on Google to earn money online, but 90% method take a lot of time to earn some money. Friends, as you can see, this is my earnings. I have made some games using GDevelop software and I have monetized it with Google Admob. Friends, Google Admob is 100% free. Here you do not need to wait long time to get approval. Once you will sign up on Admob, after in just 2 or 3 days, Google team will approve your account. After getting approval from Admob, go on GDevelop software or GDevelop website. As you can see, there are a lot of free games available on GDevelop software. You can choose any of these games and make it some changes. After that, run Google Admob ads on this game. Here you can see this is my game. I have made this game using GDevelop software and I have monetized this game from Google Admob. As you can see, Google Ads is running on my game. If someone will watch this video ads or click on these ads, then I will earn money. Friends, if you want to make this kind of simple game, then watch my previous video. I have already uploaded lot of tutorials to make a game. You can get that video link in this video description box below. Or if you do not want to make a game, then don't worry. You can use any of these games to earn money. Only you will have to make some changes in this game. Like you can change background color, player color, enemies color, player design, enemy design, and many more. Friends, GDevelop is a free software. You can download this software from GDevelop website. You do not need to sign up on this website. You can also make a game online on this GDevelop website. After making game, you can run Google Ads on your game. Then publish your game on all app stores like Google Play Store, Amazon App Store, Facebook Instant Game, Vivo App Store, Oppo App Store, Samsung App Store, and all app stores. Friends, using this method, you can earn a lot of money from Google Admob. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.